Hi you guys, welcome to my Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're making a super cute door hanger. Let's get started. Okay you guys, I'm using hot glue only for the purposes of the video, but I want you guys to know that hot glue is not going to secure those metal sounds. You're going to have to use E6000 or some super glue, something else, so just keep that in mind, okay? Back to the video. Okay, so once again, I want to give you guys a quick tip. You're going to place your items to see how they look, but you will need to go back in and secure these things with glue because they're not going to stick into the foam without glue or still picks, okay? So keep that in mind, okay? And we use Gorilla Glue. Alrighty, guys. Oh wow, we're already at the end of the video. And like always, thank you so much for stopping by and visiting with me. I hope you guys will try the project out and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.